welcome to What's Cooking. It's summertime, the sun is shining, it's hot, and we are outdoors. We're going to do a lovely beef steak for you. Look at those. There's 4 pounds of steak. We're going to barbecue them for you, and we're going to make them to the perfect burger. And not only that, I've got a lovely sauce to go on that. Watch this space. What would you need today for this wonderful barbecue? You need 4 pounds of beef steak, and that would be with the salt and the pepper, and that's all you need, and a little bit of olive oil. And for the sauce, you need 3 lovely juicy tomatoes. You really need 1 onion, parsley, very little, mint, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 chili, and that's all you need. Put a bit of olive oil just for the grilling, so it doesn't stick. So very little. And with the salt, we're going to be very generous, because beef likes salt, and it's nice. We're going to rub it very well with the salt. Oops. Wash my hand. Lots of ground pepper. Yeah, we're going to really put a lot. Yeah, it's better you can use any pepper, but I found ground pepper tastes better and it's nicer. Okay, so now we're going to turn the meat. We're going to do the other side. Massage. Okay, we are ready to grill. Here we go. Okay. Oh, can you hear that noise? So we are going to grill it about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Yeah, because we don't want them to be hard, we want them to be tender, a little bit medium inside. Okay, let it grill. So while this is grilling, I'm going to show you the sauce. It's the most amazing sauce. Beautiful. 3 juicy tomatoes that goes in there. We are going to put onions. I like red onions. It just tastes nicer. 3 garlic. The chili goes in there, and very small amount of mint and parsley. You don't need a lot. You know, I don't have to go to the gym. You know that. You see? More salt. Okay, we could add a little bit of salt as well. Bit of salt. Bit of pepper. Just to make it easy to blend. A bit of olive oil. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Ah, that is lovely. Look at that. That is going to go over the beef later. Let's see how the meat is doing. Yeah, we'll leave it 1 more minute. You might be wondering, why am I wearing this flowery necklace and this beautiful flower on my head? But I've got a story to tell you. A couple of weeks ago, my husband surprised me for my 25th birthday. Well, not quite right. Double that, okay? To a surprise holiday, and we went to Hawaii, Honolulu. It was amazing. I felt like a little girl for Christmas. Where are we going? And we got into Hawaii. It was just me and my husband. And you know the amazing things was? No children. I'm whispering because they can hear me. We had no kids with us. It was just me and him, and we had the most wonderful time. And you know, as couple, we need to spend time with each other, because sometimes we forget who we are. We're just a mother, we're a friend, and we forgot we're a wife too. And the Bible says that the husband leave their mother and their father and cleave to their wife. And I'm beginning to realize I'm a wife too. We need to spend, it's so healthy to spend time with each other as husband and wife, and to do things, to go for dinner, to go on a date, and to just lie by the beach and just, you know, looking at each other. Just kidding, we did that anyway. And just spend time with each other, because, you know, many marriages I know, they're on the rock because we don't cherish each other. We give our time to other things. But I would encourage you this morning, if your marriage is not as it should be, make some time for each other. I find for myself, when I spend time with my husband, just me and him, nobody else, we talk, we laugh, we giggle, we have fun. And the second thing we do is praying together. If a couple is not praying together, something is desperately wrong. And I find when we pray, we serve the same God, that's Jesus, and our marriage flourishes. You forgive. When your partner do something wrong to you, and you don't hold any grudges, because you know there is a forgiveness. You need to love each other. You need to cherish each other. So it's exciting, and I will encourage you, go on a date with your husband and your wife, and surprise each other. Go to Honolulu, Hawaii, and spend a week there. So watch this space for next time. He might be taking me somewhere else. You never know. Now the steak has been cooking, it's been grilling for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, so it's ready. So we're going to take it out and leave them to rest for a good 2 minutes, yeah? So we still get the juice inside, let it rest, and then we're going to do the burger, yeah. Okay, look at that, that is smell delicious. Here I've got these beautiful buns. I'm just going to warm them on the grill just for a few seconds. Yeah, I've switched the grill off. Still very hot anyway, just a few seconds to get that barbecue flavor.
Yeah, button in the sun.
That has been resting now for a good 3 to 4 minutes, and look at them. Oh, I need to try one. That is good. Look at this bun. It's been grilled so beautifully. So we are going to assemble our burger. And it's not going to be a normal burger. It's going to be an extraordinary burger. Look at that. And we are going to add this sauce. Look at that. Yeah. And voila. And you know, we could do a double burger as well. Look at that. Oops. That's for the cat. Look at that. This is amazing. Now it's time to taste and to eat. Let's see. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. And until next time, taste and see that the Lord is good. We're going to make them to the perfect burger. That's not good knife in my hand, is it? It's hot in here, eh? I'm cooking myself. I feel like I've been grilled.
Ha